Hi bestie, so in my last video I did a question. I mean like the thing of things. And it said I will answer all the questions you guys ask about my channel. And yeah. So the only person that commented a question about this channel is the comment queen, Ella. Ella, thank you for always commenting my video. If you're watching this, thank you so much. And her question was, how old is Snoopy?
I don't really get to eat burgers.
So he's 3 years old. So 3 years old is 21. So he's 21. Ella. Shout out to Ella for commenting, for always commenting on my videos. Thank you for being awesome, and thank you for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate that, and you're the comment queen, Ella. Everyone, if you guys want a shout out, comment a question of my channel and I will answer it and give you guys a shout out. And yeah, bye.